Here we are at the BLUBOO booth with the BLUBOO S2. This is a very special smartphone because it features a camera that rotates. So you can see, just push it here and then the camera app will launch automatically. You can see even also when you close it. I mean, this is an engineering sample, so it will not open the camera when you close it, but for the moment it still does it. And of course the camera will tilt on the other side so that you can take nice selfies with the 21 megapixel shooter. And the smartphone comes with a 6-inch display with Full HD plus resolution, and it will run Android 8 Oreo. And people here at the booth told me that it will pack a MediaTek Helio P27. So it will be quite powerful and power efficient. And there will be two versions available with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and a version with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. As you can see, it's very unique. You tilt the camera, and there are different add-ons that you can add to help you open the camera, because the camera it's kind of hard to open without the add-on. You need to, it's a bit hard to do with one hand, but you can see we have this one installed now, but you can change and put other ones as you prefer. So you can have like Mickey Mouse selfie camera if you want to.